I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run General's 0 Hour on Windows 10. First, make sure your game is properly installed from either a physical disk or a digital download. It is also crucial to have your Windows operating system completely updated to its latest version. Once installed, navigate to the game's main installation folder on your computer. This initial setup is vital for a smooth experience, laying the groundwork for subsequent steps to get your game running perfectly. Next, we will adjust the compatibility settings. Find the game's main executable file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box to run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows XP Service Pack 3. Additionally, always check the box to run this program as an administrator. These two steps are critical for the game to interact correctly with modern operating systems, preventing many common launch issues. Now, let's tackle graphics and resolution. Many players find success by downloading and installing the unofficial patch specifically designed for 0 Hour. This community-made patch addresses numerous display problems and stability issues that the original game has on newer systems. After applying the patch, launch the game and adjust your in-game resolution to match your monitor's native settings for the best visual quality. If necessary, a custom resolution launcher can provide more options. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips. If you encounter further issues, try disabling any third-party overlay applications, such as Discord or GeForce Experience, as they can sometimes interfere. Always ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. If problems persist, a complete reinstallation of the game and its patches might be necessary. For unique error codes, searching online forums can often provide specific solutions from the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.